is a set of insulated screwdrivers with interchangeable blades from Wera. The tools come in a hard textile pouch with Wera to go Velcro strap on the back. Inside you get 2 VDE certified Kraftform handles and 16 insulated blades with various tips. 4 of them are used for opening electrical boxes. Each one of them is made of the highest quality materials for the best durability and reliability. In the box you also get Velcro strap with adhesive, a sticker and some documentation. Check TME's website to find more details about this and more products. Browse through over hundreds of thousands of items and get everything you want. You need it, we have it.